Hello students, welcome to class. Welcome to your language class. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday and tomorrow is Wednesday. Today is Tuesday, September 8, 2020. And remember that this week we are talking about verbs. Yes. So we already know what verbs are because yesterday we were working with the concept of verbs. So today we are going to continue working on the same page, on page 82 of your books. So, page 82 of your language books. What do we have here? Here says, a verb is a word that usually shows action. Every sentence must have a verb. So every sentence that we write must have a verb. The verb indicates us what the person, what the subject that we have in our sentence is doing. For example, here, the verb flew. Flew is the past of fly. The verb in the present tense is fly, and in the past is flew. Then we have Jesus hears my prayers. Remember that when we are talking in third person singular, we add s to our verb. The boy runs. When we are using he or she, we use s. The boy runs. Runs is another verb in third person. Aubrey jump. Jump, just jump, is in the present tense. Jumped with the ed at the end means that already happened, already passed. So it is in the past. Samuel ate lunch. Ate is the past of eat. I obey my parents. Okay. What we're going to do today is that we're going to work with the exercise Remember B and Think C of page 82. Remember B. What we are going to do here? We're going to separate with lines the subject and the predicate. Do you remember what subject and predicate are? So, subject and predicate. This subject is who or what the sentence is about. In this case, the subject is Sarah. The predicate is what the subject is doing. So in this case, it's writes. Greg writes. Sarah plays. Here the predicate is plays and the subject is Sarah. Here the predicate is writes and the subject is Greg. So now that you already remember what the subject and predicate are, we're going to work here. The big truck stopped at the red light. So we're going to separate with one line the subject and the predicate. Which one is the subject? The big truck. Very good. The big truck, because we are talking about one truck. So the big truck is the subject. This part here is our subject. And the other part, stop at the red light, is the predicate. Number 2. So I made a birthday card for the pastor garden. So, which is the subject here? About who is talking in the sentence? About Zoe. Very good. So Zoe is the subject. And made a birthday card for the pastor garden is the predicate. Then number 3. Landon and Jack played soccer last Saturday. What is the subject here? Landon and Jack. Very good. And the predicate is played soccer last Saturday. Landon and Jack are the subject because it's about they, the sentence is talking. You're going to do number 4 and number 5 by yourself. Continue with exercise Think C. What are we going to do in exercise Think C? We're going to write verbs, writing verbs. Write as many action verbs as you can. So in each one of those lines, here you have 14 different lines. You're going to write 14 different verbs. As you remember, yesterday I showed one picture with 16 verbs. So here I have 16 verbs. So that means that you're going to have 2 extra verbs. So copy those verbs that I have here in each one of the lines. For example, run, clean, jump, dance, I don't know. So you're going to write one verb in each one of the lines. That was everything for today's language class. I hope you enjoyed this topic. Remember that there are actions. And see you until next time. Bye, take care, blessings.